So here they are, rearranged, all ready to go. We have the mortar sets, the various individual fireworks here, candles, and the finale boxes. We didn't know they were finale boxes till we bought about 8 of them, but now we know they're actually finale boxes. So we have 8 finales, varying from 125 shot, so you call that a firework box, down to other shots. This one's 78 shots. Freak Show 49, Let's Make a Deal 45. Bombay and the big one are both 21 shots, 25 shot range. Then we get to the big kahunas. We got the 20 shot Freedom Salute, 10 shot Big Bat Wolf, and the 9 shot Venom. There's a max load of 500 grams of explosive in here, divided into only 9 shots instead of 49 or 78. 9 shots, and the elusive purple explosion, which is very hard to find from what we hear in fireworks. So we are highly anticipating these. These are the individual mortar shell style fireworks. The Tsunami, Jermaine got that one. It's 24 pieces, comes in doubles, quads, and triples. Versus mine, I got an 18 piece, Mr. Big. They're all single shot, max load, 60 gram mortar style fireworks. Each one by itself, just boom. And of course we have an assortment of rockets. These are actually pretty impressive. We tested them last night. Roman candles, little bottle rocket style ones down there, little rocket launchers here, and a little family friendly assortment down there. So we are officially ready.